Day in the life as a chef on a yacht. Last night I prepped some protein oats with blueberries and cinnamon and served that up to the crew. The boys are plowing through lemonade. They drink about a gallon a day, so I restocked. After breakfast, I unloaded the dishwasher and put away the clean dishes. We finally have guests coming in tomorrow, so we have a lot to prepare for. The crew asked if I could help polish the stainless steel, and of course I said yes. There's a lot of stainless steel on this yacht, so it took about 4 hours. It seemed like every single time I turned around, there was more stainless steel. After I finished up with polishing, I got started on lunch. I'm making hot beef sandwiches, which is the easiest recipe in the world. Throw your seasoned chuck roast in with a jar of pepperoncinis and let it pressure cook for 45 minutes. I went down to the hole, got a ton of protein, and now I have to put it in the fridge to defrost. Hello all you little chefs. Lunch is ready in the galley. For the hot beef sandwiches, I put out some Hawaiian rolls and served with a side of salad. After lunch, I did some more polishing, but this time I was outside. There's this special chemical that you use, and it's amazing. When you wipe it off, it looks like a mirror. And the crew had leftovers for dinner. Bye, little chef. I accidentally got barbecue sauce all over the owner of this yacht. My job that day was to cook a barbecue lunch for 24 guests on the upper deck. That part went great. I cooked ribs, brisket, mac and cheese, baked beans, corn on the cob, tabbouleh salad, potato salad, macaroni salad, cornbread, and all the barbecue fixings. After lunch, I went into the galley to start doing dishes. And our guests jumped off the back of the boat to start swimming. I've got plates, pots, and pans covered with barbecue sauce and food debris. While I'm washing, I see the water start backing up. I reach over to the switch and turn on the garbage disposal. Little did I know, all of that stuff from the disposal kicks out the back of the boat. And it goes all over the owner of this yacht. The first mate runs inside and says, "Did you just run the disposal?" I said, "Yeah, I'm running dishes. Of course I did." And then he told me that I got it all over the people swimming out back, and I was so embarrassed. I learned my lesson that day, and I always make sure that no one's swimming off the back before I do dishes. Bye, little chef. I made a discovery today. I thought these were just normal gray shorts. You have to see this. It's incredible. Wet rag. So I've had these shorts for a while, and I just found this out. The crew was outside on a rainy day, and I looked over at the Stu shorts, and they had fish on them. And in my mind, I was like, that is so rude. She did not get me fish shorts. I have these plain, boring gray shorts. And then I looked down at my shorts, and sure enough, they had fish on them. The shorts are water activated. Freaking fish. That's so freaking cool. And then I got striped. And we found out that the Stu had a different pair of shorts that were water activated as well. Those ones were like Murica shorts. Yeah! Okay, I just wanted to share that with you. Bye, little chef. No! Get it off me!
Oh.
Mark, was it? I cooked your dinner. I cooked your dinner. I cooked. Mark! Get it off of me! Is it seriously whatever it is, I don't want it. Please no. I can smell it from here. I didn't want to do that. I am polishing.
No, you got a camera.
I'm gonna go back in 2 seconds. You told me to come down here. You said this is gonna be good content here.
So this is the macerator. We have a little bitty leak on the bottom that we changed this morning. This is where pretty much all of our stuff from the toilets goes through, and it's treated by this stuff, which is pumping in there now. There's gallons, 10 gallons of the treatment. Goes into this tank, gets macerated for a while, gets treated. We're just trying to be better for the environment. That's about it. It's not much fun in here. When you have a great day, it turns into this day.
The level of cleanliness on a yacht is unbelievable. We keep every inch of it spotless. There's a lot of stainless steel on this yacht, and it shows fingerprints pretty bad. So my job today is to go around the whole entire yacht and polish up the stainless steel. I'm using some water, vinegar, and denatured alcohol and polishing it up with microfiber, which makes me want to gag when I touch it. I don't know about you, but it feels like it's clinging to my skin and trying to rip it off my own body. We use a lot of vinegar on this boat, not only to make salads, but in a lot of our cleaning products. It's such a great degreaser. I personally think it smells like salad dressing, so we mask the flavor with a little bit of essential oils. Some people think the smell of vinegar is a cleanly smell, but I think bleach is the cleanliest smell. I want to say this stainless steel polishing took about 4 hours. It felt like every single time I turned around, there was more stainless steel to polish. I not only did the inside of this yacht, I also did all of the railings on the outside. Now all the stainless is looking like a mirror. We're now all ready to have our guests come in. Bye, little chef. Welcome back to Can It Creamy on a Yacht. We are doing 4 different flavors today, and we're going to start all of them with whole milk. For the first flavor, we're going to do a white chocolate raspberry by using some white chocolate pudding mix, white chocolate chips, and some raspberry jam. The next flavor we're going to do is a berry cheesecake. Again, we're using some pudding mix. It helps with the texture. We're going to use cheesecake pudding mix. And also thrown in some frozen berries. Next one is going to be chocolate peanut butter. Using some chocolate pudding mix, Hershey's syrup, PB2 powder, and chocolate peanut butter cups. Last flavor we're going to do is probably my favorite, pistachio. I'll just throw in my pistachio pudding mix and whole pistachios. All of these creamy recipes are sugar-free to follow the owner's dietary restrictions. I'll throw these guys in the freezer and pull them out for dessert this upcoming week. This upcoming week, we're going to have guests on board, so follow along to see what I cook. Bye, little chef. We finally have guests coming in. We're going to have a total of about 9, but there's going to be a few days where I have to feed 24. So we're grabbing meat from the hole. Got my boxes. There's the hole, ready to go. I brought a little piece of paper down here with me. I planned out the menu for the next 4 days, so I know exactly what to get from the hole. We have a big barbecue for 24 people coming up very soon. Whenever I go down into the hole, the crew loves to try to play pranks on me. This is like the 6th time of them trying to trap me in here, so I stopped caring. So I'm pulling pork ribs, brisket, ground beef, also rack of lamb, duck breast, and octopus. Oh yeah, that's nicely frozen in here. Yeah! It worked. Huh?
Did you not even need it?
No, I just wanted to take care of it. Okay?
That's it?
Not yet.
Done for this box though?
Yeah, we can stop on this box. I'm gonna have to get on the other side. I pulled all of my proteins. Let's head into the galley to start thawing it in the fridge. Bye, little chef.